can't see anything. Minutes. I wonder if that thing can even hear it. It's really far away. That's moving. Okay. That freaked the crap out of me too. What the heck? Did you hear that? Sounded like something fell. Dude, every time we look away, something happens behind us. I'm getting freaked out now. I want to keep looking this way. I swear I heard something fall over there. I wonder if that is that chest. That chest looks scary, man. I don't want to look at it.
I keep on looking at it.
Well, if we keep looking away, it just keeps doing it. If you didn't notice that. It's right here. It's like right there.
Oh gosh, there's a keyhole. I keep on looking into it.
Holy crap.
I keep on looking at it.
That computer screen, like the orange thing, freaks me out.
How much more time?
Oh, like nothing. I'm not even moving. I don't want to know what's behind me.
Please end so we can go now.
We got like 20 seconds. Oh god, I don't want to look. Dude. Okay, something just jerked this vacuum cleaner.
Let's go.
I'm freaking swearing.
Let's go.
Dude, something's right behind me.
Dude, just go. Let's just go.
Dude, it's right behind me.
Oh god.
Oh my god. I can see everything in that mirror. I can see everything.
Don't look at it then.
Dude, something's moving. I can feel it.